Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Anyone can draw a frog, but today I'll show you how to draw one that's extra cute using just a few simple shapes. So grab your pencils and let's doodle. Let's start with our basic shapes. Draw an oval for the head, another oval underneath for the body, then add an oval on each side for the back legs, and finally draw a big oval underneath for the lily pad our frog will be resting on. And just like that, our frog is starting to take shape. Now let's bring it to life. Draw a line down the middle of the head. Next, draw half a circle on each side where the eyes will sit. Then connect them with a gentle curve. Now, simply follow the bottom of the oval to shape the cheeks. And our frog's head is ready. Right in the center, draw a big happy mouth with a tongue. Next, add two big rounded eyes. Big eyes make our frog look extra friendly and fun. Now, draw two tiny nostrils above the mouth. Let's make our frog even more special by adding a flower crown. Every frog deserves a fancy hat for a day in the pond. Now that our frog is looking adorable, let's move on to the body. Let's begin drawing the front legs. Using the sides of the body oval as our guide, draw two lines coming down from underneath the head. Add two slightly curved lines in the middle to complete the legs. Then, draw the hands with fingers spreading out like tiny branches. Finish each finger with a small rounded tip, and they are done. Now, draw a small curve between the front legs to show where the tummy ends. Add a tiny line up here to show a little bit of the frog's back. Next, let's draw the first back leg. Use the oval shape as your guide and follow its outer edge. Then, add a curved line in the middle to shape the folded leg. Frogs always love to sit with their back legs tucked in. At the bottom, draw the foot with long toes spreading outward. Add small rounded tips to each toe to finish it off. Now repeat the same steps on the other side for the second back leg. Follow the oval guide and add the curved line for the folded leg. And finish with another wide foot and rounded toes. You know, my friends, frogs can jump many times their own body length. That's cool! Finally, using the large oval as a guide, draw the lily pad around our frog and add small notches here and there to give it that classic look. And there we have it. Our cute frog sketch is complete and ready for the next step. Friends, if you enjoy drawing cute characters like this one, parents can also check out our ABC coloring book on Amazon for even more fun drawings and activities. Now, let's bring our frog to life with some color magic. Let's have fun! The coloring part will move a little faster, but don't worry, you can pause the video anytime and color along with me. We will be using lots of green today. Different shades of green will help make our frog look bright, lively, and full of personality. Feel free to use the same colors as me, or choose your own favorite colors and make your frog unique. Do you know what a baby frog is called? That's right, a tadpole. Frogs start their lives as tiny tadpoles and slowly grow legs as they get bigger. Did you know, my friends, that frogs can absorb water through their skin? So they don't need to drink water the way we do. Amazing, isn't it? Let's color the flower crown with the cheerful colors. Look how I've added some darker green in a few places for extra depth and shading. You can do the same or just keep it simple. Finally, let's color the lily pad and bring our little pond friend to life. Voila! Our adorable frog is ready to hop into its next adventure. I hope you had fun with us today. Until next time, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.